there's also a very interesting um, survey that happened, I think he's doing from 1972, I think. So this is something called nutritional transition as well. So nutritional transition is something like if you are living in a third world country where your life was very tough, and say you used to live in a village and you used to walk every day, and your food habit was, say, it was not easy for you to have food, so you had to produce your food, had to do a lot of physical work. From there, somehow you become rich, or you migrated for job or something from that nutritional state to somewhere like in a city or in a country like UK or USA. And you now say you are in level 2, where you were producing everything, you are living in a very remote kind of life.
Yep.
And from there you came to the stage 3 or 4 where everything is ready for you.
Yes.
So, and you are having all these ready-made food, you are living a sedentary lifestyle and all this. So
Yeah.
that that transitional, normally, if you look at this evaluation period in the world, it takes thousands of years, at least 50 years, for you to go from one state to another state. Now, if you just go through the like time machine and come from stage 2 to stage 4, that your body will affect hugely. And that there's
Okay.
this massive, big research happened throughout the years, and it's so beautiful to. It's not beautiful, but it's really makes sense when you see that people from that country coming to these countries and how quickly they are having diabetes, hypertension. That's all they are getting.
So thank you for being here. Uh, and would you like to tell the audiences that how can they contact you if they need any help or any support? Uh, and yeah.
Thank you, Kamran. So first thing I would like to I would like to request to the audience that please, before you become pregnant, look out, be ready for the pregnancy. Don't just do like that. This is a big thing, that you are bringing a baby in the world, and also you are the one who is bringing. So your health is very important. For any reason, if you are having gestational diabetes or something, that start to look after you and baby from there. Do not take this condition so easily. It is a very serious condition, can
Yep.
go through whole life for you and whole life for the baby. Yeah. And diabetes is not something, is not easy. It's called slow killer. Yeah,
Yep.
it's called slow killer.